Welcome to Greenery. You may wonder why your man is out of classroom. I love greenery. I love plants. And can you see this leaf appearing green in color? Why this leaf is green in color? This leaf is green in color because it has chlorophyll pigments in it. With the help of chlorophyll pigments, it can trap solar energy and prepare food by a process called photosynthesis. Whereas animals cannot prepare their food, they have to depend on other organisms for food because they don't have chlorophyll. This is an advantage for a plant having chlorophyll pigment. And these chlorophyll pigments are present in plastids. We call it as plastids. There are three types of plastids. They are chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. So chloroplast, actually chlorophyll pigments are present. Chloroplast, that is a plastid which is present in green plants. Whereas chromoplast is present in all colored vegetables and fruits. Here you can see the pigments. These are colored pigments. In flowers also we can see colored pigments. So they are called chromoplast. And when you say leucoplast, they are the storage organs. They are non-pigmented structures which are present in potato. Now in this class we are going to study in detail about chlorophyll pigment. Now let us, for this, we are taking a common plant. This is called Tradescantia leaf. This is Tradescantia leaf where chlorophyll pigments are present and it can be seen very clearly. Let us peel out the skin of this epidermal layer of the leaf and observe under microscope how chlorophyll pigments appear in the cytoplasm of this leaf. Observe this amazing plant blooming with beautiful and attractive flowers. The leaves are green in color and they prepare food for the plant. This is Tradescantia plant with colorful leaves. We are taking Tradescantia leaf for our experiment to observe chlorophyll pigments in the cytoplasm of the cell because it is easy to observe because the epidermal cell or epidermal layer can be removed very easily. And this is another species. Along with chlorophyll, they have some other colored pigment also. So now about plastids, I have already explained. This plastid is an cell organelle which is present in the plant. Plants prepare food using chlorophyll by a process called photosynthesis. Chlorophyll pigments give green color to the leaves. So this is the Tradescantia leaf cytoplasm. Observed under microscope, you can see chlorophyll pigments. See beautiful chlorophyll pigments scattered all over the cytoplasm. The structure of chloroplast. It has outer membrane, inner membrane, stroma, thylakoid, granum. This structure and diagram you will study in detail in 9th standard. Now I mentioned about three important plastids. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll that absorbs sunlight in photosynthesis and it prepares food in the form of glucose and store it. Chromoplast contain red, orange, yellow pigments. They are found in flowers and fruits. Leucoplasts contain no pigment used to store starch. Wow, green turns red. These are tomatoes where unripe tomatoes will be green in color and ripened tomato will be red in color. Why? Do you know why? Green turns into red. Raw tomato and unripe chilies are green due to chlorophyll. During ripening, the chlorophyll degenerates and the masked red keratin takes over. That's why the ripened tomatoes appear red in color. This is the ultrastructure of plant cell. So you can locate plastid, that is chloroplast, and a huge vacuole, cell wall. This is the main difference between animal cell and plant cell. Let us compare plant cell and animal cell. You have already observed human cheek cells and onion cells under microscope in the lab. And when you observe the ultrastructure of both the cells, it appears like this: plant cell and animal cell. So this is under electron microscope. Now observe carefully and note the differences between the two. You can see which organelle is appearing in plant cell and the organelle which is not appearing in the plant cell or animal cell. The main differences you can picturize with the help of the diagram. And these are the important diagrams. Based on your observation, and you might have compared the diagram. Now let us list out the differences between animal cell and plant cell. The main differences are: animal cell is oval in shape, plant cell is rectangular in shape. It has large nucleus and small vacuole, whereas plant cell has small nucleus and large vacuole. Animal cells have centrioles, whereas centrioles are absent in plant cells. Centrioles are the important organelles during cell division. They take part during cell division. As you know, animal cells don't have chloroplast, whereas plant cell has chloroplast. Cell wall is absent in animal cell and cell wall is present in plant cell. I think I have come to the end of this lesson. So based on the points discussed, we have some exercise questions. You have to answer the exercise questions, and 2 assignment questions are given. That is, differentiate between plant cell and animal cell. Draw the label diagram of plant cell and animal cell. And you can compare and label all the organelles. Next, draw the diagram of compound microscope and label the parts. These are the 2 questions. Apart from this, you have to answer all the questions of exercise, that is page number 98 in your textbook. And few points related to the lesson, important points, will be sent in the form of PDF. Apart from that, you have to answer all the questions, exercise questions in your classwork. Thank you.